guys, and welcome to another episode of Frank's Handyman. Today we're going to be working on some little small projects. As you see, we're going to be putting on this little step here. The second one in the staircase. What ended up happening is just a piece of wood is rotting, so it's no longer good. We're also going to be painting it. So right now he's just going to start off by taking all the old nails that were on there, and then he's going to be repeating this on the left side as well to take this off. As you can see, it's coming off, but you know, it's a lot easier just to use the saw. So he's going to be using the saw here a little bit once he's lifted it, and he's going to be doing this just to make it a lot easier just to remove. Come on. Once he finished cutting everything off, he's gonna now be just measuring the piece of wood that he's gonna be putting on there just to ensure that that it fits.
¿Cómo se llama? No es ni decir, es como digo, es nada más de sentido. Y ya lo salió para afuera y luego entra con las botas bien mugrosas y luego...
And here he's just going to use the hammer just to hit it a little bit, just to adjust it, and then he's going to be also putting on all of the screws.
Yes, más que nadie.
And now that he set all the screws down, now he's going to start putting all of the paint here on the step. He's going to be using the roller brush and also just the regular smaller brush here just for the little crevices and edges. But for the bigger part, he's going to be using just a little smaller roll brush. And as one is painting, the other one just putting some screws here on the side. That way it just gives it a lot more firmness.
me gusta ir a los conciertos de música. Aquí a por yo, güey, que en el colegio, ¿cómo se llama? Vivía con mis compartes, ¿ya? Y yo me quedé con la otra en la sala. Y ya como la otra morra vio que no le estaba poniendo atención, ya... No. Quieren como a las 3, ¿no?
Once they got to this point, everything was pretty much done. Of course, now they just have to wait for the paint to dry, but this is how it looked after. You're gonna see some before and after pictures, and it came out looking great. And then we're gonna be moving on to just a smaller project after this, which is just gonna be removing some carpet that you're gonna see in a little bit. In this house, there's a lot of things they're gonna be doing, but they're gonna be starting off by taking off this old carpet, and then eventually they're gonna be putting on some new flooring. But for today, they're just gonna take off the carpet, as you see here. He's just hooking this and hitting it with the hammer. That way, it detaches from the floor, and then all they're gonna have to do is just rip it off. And as well, at the end, you're gonna see some before and after pictures, just of the process on how it ended up. Tomorrow, we're gonna be having a new project to check out, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope you guys have a great day.